Yes, guys, welcome back to the channel, Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man, bless up on yourself. Why, sometimes you have to ask some questions still no peeps. You know, based upon some people behavior, based upon them 9 to 5, you know, or a certain kind of job. Yeah, man, up in some high places they still. Yeah, man, but anyway, if me right or if me wrong, more don't tell me based on what I'm gonna actually explain to you guys now. You know, am I right? Am I wrong? Your job is not your life. A skill job is more to be your life than a 9 to 5. I repeat it again. Your job is not your life, meaning your 9 to 5 job. A skill job is more to be your life than a 9 to 5 job. So, based on a certain person's behavior, where their job is actually concerned, because we all work to make a honest bread, right? We all know that we have to get up, put on clean clothes, and all of these things, and make a living. So, my point I'm trying to say now, a certain 9 to 5 jobs, um, let people or certain persons behave like them job. Yeah, man. So, we kind of just name out like some common 9 to 5 jobs, which me I go actually talk about. And based on the understanding, they just tell me if I'm right or if I'm wrong. Yeah, man. It's just a reason. Yeah, man. So, guys, top of the list, um, police officers, soldiers, municipal police, transport authority. Those are the common ones. Yeah, man. And these kind of jobs, persons behave like, or as if like their jobs. You know? Let me tell you this. A job is for you to make a living, not to mistreat people and behave a certain kind of way. Right? So, saying all of this now, these persons intend to behave a certain kind of way because authority. And you'll agree with me. Because authority. Yeah, man. So, other jobs now, 9 to 5, nursing, doctors, teachers, bakers, those jobs I will actually classify to be more to be a life, to be a life job. Because when they leave these kind of jobs, um, nursing, doctors, teachers, bakers, etc. When you leave these jobs, it's like it's a skill. Let me explain some more. Nursing, right? So if a nurse actually lose her job or she not dey work long time then, she have all of the experience and all of these things, well certified. in the idea a nurse can still deliver babies, right? A nurse can still dress a wound, take care of an elderly man or woman. Full experience certified nursing make recommendations based on a person's illness. So nursing that will actually classify to be a job of your life, right? Or a part of your life. Because once you're a nurse, you can always be a nurse, right? Yeah, man. So to the next one, guys. Doctor CM here. A doctor can actually have him own private institution. That is a 9 to 5 job. Or he's a registered doctor with the government, you know, and so forth. So I'll classify that job to be part of your life because based on your medical um, training and knowledge, that is a part of your life. That is nothing for question. Once I is a doctor, you can always be a doctor, right? So the teachers them know. Once a teacher, we always be a teacher because the knowledge now nowhere go. The knowledge now have nowhere go. Because once you is a maths or English or a social study teacher or bio or, the list goes on. Yeah, man, a teacher will always be a teacher. So look at this now. No longer being employed as a teacher. Teaching goes on. Teachers can do private classes. Yeah, we all know that. Yeah, man. Can do private classes. That is a big business. Self-employed. Um, Also teaching your own child at home. That is a part of your life. It is a 9 to 5 job, but at the end of the day, it is a part of your life. So that's the point I try to make. Yeah, man. I give some examples just the same. Baker. A person who is actually a baker is a 9 to 5 job, right? If that person is no longer employed, which he was a baker, right? Or catering, same, you know, baking patties, cocoa breads, pastries, bolas, a lot of bread, a loaf of breads that we love so much, you know. The knowledge not gone away same way. Yeah, man. So just to name a few, these kind of jobs I actually mentioned, they are actually jobs that are a part of your life. Yeah, man. So if you even leave those kind of jobs, it remain the same because you can do your own phase a baker, and nothing go on for you unless you know what go on for you. You can own your own local business. You just want the equipment that you know so you already have a spot where you can go and you get the ingredients and all of these things. Even if you hard see me, one thing you want is a oven. Yeah, man. All I want is a oven. Yeah, man. So you can tell me, see me in the comment. Yeah, man. Just tell me if me right or if me wrong. Yeah, man. Just a reason anyway still. So we go back on the police, the soldier, the municipal police and transport authority. Yeah, man. Them one that the common one we want to talk about. Yeah, man. So the police know. Sometimes peeps, or the police them angle the people them sometimes, you have to really. You have to wonder if animal them are deal with. John, now what them I watch a video I tell you says like me see they come like a show you watch. Mm? Says that the police actually attack to this man. Like, jeep him up and everything, maybe in kind of violate now, we say, but you don't know police now go. You know, them are go defend them thing because, yeah, police. And it's like another man I try to intervene and, the police jump out, like, you want them for car, show you watch. Jump out wealthy, boot them and all of these things, And leg off of them other man where him actually the whole lamp and draw a gun, select it. Yeah. Like him a say, boy, what you do? Back up. Me nah say a police no fi be a police and defend a thing. Right? But the point I try to make, when you deal with civilians a certain kind of way, remember, you're not going to be a police forever. What if you get kicked out of the force? Just an example. Because we're not put on a police still. What if you get kicked out of the force and you have to actually do a different job? Remember, the same set of people them where you actually go on bad with and all of these things. Are them same man, you are going to move amongst them. So all of those authority where they actually did have from before is no longer going to be there. But I think a man are going to say, boy, you did police, so you have to respect. You not have the same respect or the same authority. So at the end of the day, being a police officer is not a part of your life. It is a job. It is just a job. Yeah, man, it's just a profession. Right? So, soldiers now. Talk about the soldier them. And we say we not put on. Nobody. Just a talk about the thing. So the soldier them now, you have a certain man way. Because he mean the thing, it's like a film thing that like a part time. Me now say training a certain kind of way can make you become that kind of person. You tell you this truth still. Yeah, it can become a part of you. But at the end of the day, same it is just a profession. It is not a part of your life. And sometimes persons, because you're in these positions, them behave a certain kind of way. That's what I'm trying to say. There's nothing wrong with being a soldier. A soldier is actually, I classify to be an opportunity where you can get things done quick and fast. We all know that. You can get house, you can get car, you can get opportunity to travel and all of these things. But at the end of the day, some of these persons, they abuse them jobs. And it is not a part of them. Because at the end of the day, when you leave the work, it is a regular person. At the point I'm trying to make. 95 is not. These 95 jobs are not part of your life. Yeah, man. Something serious, man. Because something happens every day. Every day, every day. Yeah, man. So I could talk about the municipal police them now. Boy, peeps. Sometimes you have to sorry for the market people them sometimes. Yeah, man. So sometimes these municipal police, man and woman, deal with the people them away like the man a human being too. Because at the end of the day, when you leave your job, and a time for go home, you're just a regular person. Right? It is not a part of your job. That kind of job is to enforce rules and regulation. We do understand that, yeah, but the way how you actually operate, how you deal with things. Because like some of these persons, to be honest, when them left them work, them actually like behave the same. You tell me you're no longer employed or doing this kind of job. What? You could behave the same way? If I get the difference of I try to make, the point of I try to make, as we say still, you know, sir, 9 to 5 job is not a part of your life. Yeah, man, it's just a profession. And a lot of these persons take it out of proportion, you know. It is not a skill. It is more of, to me, uh, too much brute force is not good. And a lot of brute force using these um, jobs. Yeah, man. So, touch upon the last one, transport authority. Yeah, man. It is a job, but not part of your life. And I go say again, it is not a part of your life, it is a profession. Yeah, man. So, you have to enforce rules and regulation just the same. And a whole heap of people are going to understand what I'm going to say where this is concerned. I think a lot of these persons abuse authority, right? So, it's like them not being in that position, not that position, but not being on that job um, at that time and how they actually operate. Because if you work for government, you work for government, yeah, and on a schedule. But how these persons actually behave outside of job, their jobs, yeah, man, that's surprising, you know. But another day, I'll go back and say it is not a part of your life. It is just a profession, right? So I mentioned two things, um, two different type of jobs, and there's a big difference. Jobs that you classify to be 95, but it is a part of your life, and a right through until the day when the father say, yeah, that is it. But the other one, them no, in authority, no. It is not a part of your daily life. It is just a profession. Yeah, man. So based on all of me actually mentioned, peeps, it's just a reasoning. Yeah, man. Now, disrespect anybody, still just, you just get an understanding how human being operate. You know, based on employment. You have to just, yeah, you have to just wonder, you know. Yeah, man. But as me mentioned, you know, just comment and, you know, we could just share some understanding. Yeah, man. Because I can be right and I can be wrong. But this is just my opinion. Yeah, man. So it was a good reasoning. You know, I'm not sure if me actually did miss anything. Any points, you know. It good for them little thing up on our lives still where you can actually all our reason still. But anyway, yeah, man. Just comment in our section and we just, you know, share your points and your views on this. Yeah, man. So until the next video, guys, yeah, man, just bless up on yourself. You know, if you're new to the channel, you can just go ahead and show some support, like, comment, and share. Tell a friend, you know. Yeah, man, show some support. Yeah, man. So just a good reasoning. Until the next video, guys. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Yo, yeah, man. Until the next video, you know. Yeah, man. Blessings.